I know that some of the things that I will say today maybe will not make full sense. It comes from many years of practice and learning, but very experienced in which field. I want you to see if you can, just from your touch and from your intention, to pass the sensation of saying, I'm here for you. You can trust me. It will be okay. And now she don't understand my English, and I don't understand how to speak in the Thai language, but just from having the sensation in my heart, I think that she can already understand what I want to say. And this is something that you can practice, and I think that each and every one of us have this capacity to pass this sensation of passing just without words. It's to think, I'm here for you, you can trust me, everything is okay. And her soul, this is only what you need to know. Everything else is really not so important.